marked where I'm going to excavate. And about 2,700. After I spread out the mulch, they're probably like, why are they wearing Crocs, sandals, and you get it? Try getting this. I'm trying to see. I can't look it up. It's all that dirt. We can wiggle some off. Wiggle the bottom.
Careful with the branches that are left.
Bunch of dirt right here. Wiggle that dirt. There you go. It's a lot lighter.
No.
You get fresh dirt, buddy. Talking to a plant. Get brand new dirt. It's manure dirt, composite. You survive, man. Yeah, it's a lot lighter. There. All right. Okay. Doing ready? No, you gotta go over here, buddy, or somewhere. More in the center.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Yay.
Oh, it
There you
looks
keep
like
There.
Woo!
there's a lot of roots on it.
This is a $1,000 plant.
Throw it to the side,
It's okay to let's survive.
That
You need a little trim anyway. Oh my gosh. It's not gonna make it. Its fruit's like hanging out. You have to rotate it. Rotate, make it ready. Alright, let me move.
Good.
People talking. Bobby? Bobby?
Is that you?
Huh? Bobby?
Is that you?
Bobby? Bobby? Bobby?
Okay, lift it up. I'm gonna move over about another foot. 1, 2. Ow! Ow! Mikey, you stabbed me.
With what? The stick, are you okay? I heard that.
Could puncture me.
I did get stuck in there. Let me see. Careful. You want a hat?
Perfect. Just a quick overview of what we did today. As you can see here, move this Japanese maple over to this area. And I'm trying to make a hill. You see the golf course is right here. So I'm trying to protect the house from getting hit by golf balls. So that's the reason why we built this. If you watch my prior videos, this is the reason why I built this small little hill here. And also add a little characters to the landscaping. This birch tree this is about the third year of this 3-year-old birch tree. As you can see, it grows really well. But once we get everything level out, make it look nice and neat. Not sure if I'm gonna add mulch or rock yet out here, but I'm gonna still add a little bit more dirt on that side and on this end over here and fill it up. And the yard lines right here, I'm gonna use as much space as possible, real estate as possible. You see the water kind of the drip here, or the leveling drops here and it goes down, and the water just drips all the way down, and there's a sewer system all the way back there. And the pergolas right here, you can see the reason why we're building the hills to protect it. Now, moving that tree was a lot of work. It took a couple of us, as you can see from the video, but we got it done. I'll take you a walk over here. We end up adding another foot out here, because it didn't look right before. That was wider and this was shorter and width wise. So now we add another foot to make it kind of look even, because from a distance it looks better, bigger. So overall, it's going to be a huge back patio here. And as you can see here, I kind of start edging it. So tomorrow I'm going to take the excavator, finish off, make it wide. So it's going to be really nice. A lot of real estate to put all the pergola and chairs and patio chairs and everything. And they may even have room to play, like, you know, the kids play, hook up a little basketball hoop or whatever. I'm thinking it's going to be about 120 bags of cement. Again, like I mentioned from prior video, we're going to use rebars. I'm not sure I'm going to use steel or composite yet. We're going to drill with a hammer drill every 2-3 foot. Once I figure out either 2 or 3 foot on the side of that cement, so will lock the new cement in place with that. So whenever it contracts to expand, it won't move up and down. So it'll look nice. Hopefully, this is the first project that we're doing with cement ever. As you can see from other video, we have a lot of projects going on. We just changed our roof, gutter, garage doors in process also, and also the windows. We had a storm came by about 2 months ago. Well, it's looking pretty good. I thought about putting cement out to here, but I didn't want to. I didn't think it'd look right. But we're gonna eventually make the landscape, and probably figure out how we're gonna make the landscape and go out a little bit further. But if this works, maybe eventually, you know, build more out here or whatever. But that's today's project. Hopefully this maple tree survived. It did take a beating. They say that as long as we don't damage 25% of it, you know, and I don't think I damaged, 25% of it. But I did put some pure composite soil and then topsoil. So 4 bags. And then I'm gonna go tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go get some more and just kind of glaze it, just to give it a little bit of fresh dirt, so that it'll grow and find its new home. And it's actually better for it over here because it'll have more room to grow. And over there, it was actually running around room. It's starting to dig underneath the patio cement. You can see all the root was growing in one spot. So I think it'll do well out here. Just give it a little more, like I said, a little bit more, probably a little more dirt out here. I'm gonna add a little more, about another 2 foot. You know, get plenty of room to grow. I think it'll like it. It'll like it. Its new home. But yeah, thank you for tuning in today's progress, and then I'll keep you guys posted progress every day or whenever we work on the project. But it's fun, it's exciting. Got a lot of help too, my family, and then pretty soon, man, we do have a couple volunteers that's gonna come out and try to help us. So stay tuned. Watch, continue to enjoy and watch the journey with us. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care. Kind of like the waterfall. You don't want that. This is what it looks like out there.